everybody, it is your girl Manny Queen, or you just could call me Manuela at this point. And I know you're wondering, where have you been? I've only had one video up, and that was like a long time ago, talking about some West Kids hair. But I am coming back to you guys with a new video and a second video, I guess. I gotta be more consistent, and I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit congested. I am coming to you guys with a crochet video, and I did this all by myself, y'all. And I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it, but I was just like, you know what, you can try to do it. You don't have to beg somebody to do it for you. Usually my sister does it for me, but they both have really busy schedules, so I was like, you know what, just do it yourself and whatever. So that's why I love YouTube so much, because you can just go on there and learn anything. And so that's why I decided to do this video for anybody who hasn't ever done crochets before, who are nervous about doing it, who usually pay someone to do it. Like, you can do it, because I sure as hell did. So the hair that I bought, where is my bag? The hair that I bought is called Venus Hair Collection, and it's in the lengths 22, 20, and 18. And I got the color 1B 30 right here. I don't know if it says the color. Does it say the color? Yeah. 1B30. It's a 3-packer. And it's 7.1 ounces. And it has 81 braids in every pack. I bought 3 packs. I used 2 pull packs. And then I used about 15 of the 3rd pack. So honestly, I could have done this with 2 packs. But because of my braiding style and my braiding pattern, I actually didn't braid my hair. I flat twisted my hair. And I do have a picture of that. And I will insert that in this video. So basically I flat twisted my hair, and I did it in such big chunks, and I'll try to turn around for you guys to see. I hope you guys can see it. So because the braiding or the flat twisting I did was so chunky and huge, it was hard to kind of disguise my the twist in my scalp, so I had to put more in, but it wasn't too much, and I'm okay with how it looks. Like, I like the way it looks. It looks really nice, and I like it. Like, I haven't done anything color, like hair color, in a while, and so this is really nice. And I've been doing more crochets recently for a protective hairstyle. Recently, actually, I had the faux locks in, and unfortunately a lot of my hair came off because I've been losing a lot of weight. It's been a little bit stressful for me recently. I'm so sorry, but and so my hair was kind of coming out, and I was like, no, like, my hair was growing prior to this, and I was like, oh my god, now I'm losing all this hair growth. And so I went to the store. I bought me some effigy, and I bought me a castor oil, which I do want to do a video on, because guys, that thing smells so bad. Everybody always says, like, castor oil smells bad, and I always had the castor oil, and I never had this issue. Boy, does this castor oil smell. But yes, guys, back to my hair. I keep forgetting. So like I said already in the video, it was 22, 20, and 18 inches, and I put the 22 in the back, and the 20, and then the 18. I am 5'3", so I'll show you guys how low it goes on me. So right above my butt. It's so nice. It's incredible. I love it. I love it, guys. And it's so good because, like, the way I braided my edges, I braided it straight across, and as you guys can see, that's like one of my damaged areas that I'm trying to grow back. And so I braided in this direction, and so I just crocheted it, and like, right, you can actually see it because it's separated from the rest of them. But like, when I do this, I can kind of like cover it up. And then I went ahead and put some jewelry in, just a little bit, because like, whenever I do crochets or any braiding styles, faux locks, I like to put like 3 or 4 jewelries in, because I know like a lot of people like to put a lot, but I prefer it to look like very like minimal, so like you can see it barely, but maybe when I move around you'll like see the little jewelry, like the cross right here. It kind of just, it's just my style. So for my reason of getting this style, like I said, it's a protective hairstyle. I'm gonna be oiling my scalp every day and seeing the growth. That's the main reason I usually get any kind of braid down. And I've been tired of extensions, wigs. I hate it. Like it just it eats away your edges. I swear to God. So that's about it. I think I've spoken about everything. Maybe I haven't. The price. So the price of each pack is $14.99. However, at my beauty supply store, Elegant Beauty Supply, it was on sale for $11.99. So I got 3 packs. 12 times 3, you can do the math, 36 plus tax, whatever. I don't know that. But if it's not on sale, then you're gonna end up paying about $45. And if you end up just getting 2 packs, which I feel like is enough, you'll just be spending $30. So it's a really great style. You don't have to spend too much money. I feel like it's so natural. It makes me look a little bit younger, so that's why I really like it. So yeah, guys, this video was quite short. I don't know if I was speaking real fast, but if you have any questions about this hair, just leave it in the comments below and I will answer them. I will also be leaving all the information about this hair in the comment box below as well. Oh, not the comment box, but the information box. And comment, rate. How are you gonna rate? No, subscribe, guys. Just subscribe. Like come on, just subscribe, y'all. Like, come on. I'll see you guys later.